Welcome to the installation guidance video for the OBD power cable set. You will learn the step-by-step installation procedure from this video. Let's get started. The standard packaging includes the following items: 1 device, alcohol wipe, windshield mount, hex key, I/O cover, OBD power cable. Installation guide. Please be aware that package contents may vary due to different customization. Please contact PowerFleet if you have any concerns. First, let's find the right spot for the camera on the windshield. Make sure both forward and inward cameras are clear-sighted. Please do not block your sight or rear-view mirror, endangering driving safety. Secondly, use the alcohol wipe to clean the spot where the adhesive will be placed on the windshield. This will help to prevent any dust between the glass and adhesive. Let it dry for 30 seconds. Now you can attach the mount to the windshield. Detach the mount from the camera and remove the white liner. Press the mount to the windshield and apply pressure to every edge. Do not install the mount while the camera is attached, as it may cause the mount to not adhere properly. Next, let's connect the OBD2 port to your vehicle. Please check your car manual for the location of the OBD port. Now that we have hardwired the entry cable set, let's install the device and check if all of the connections are wired properly. Install the device by sliding it sideways onto the mount until you hear a click sound. Connect the mini DP port to the device. And turn the key to ACC on position. Make sure the LED indicator light is on. If so, you're all set. Lastly, install the I/O cover. Adjust the lens position by using the hex key to loosen or tighten the screws as necessary. Make sure the cables are well organized to avoid any dangerous distraction to the driver.